also after 7 days, use the baking soda and salt powder 2 times per day. So how you use this is you wet your finger and you actually place in the baking soda salt powder, and you dab some and you place it along the gum line. So you may need to reapply several times, but you just apply enough just to get around there. You can start working it underneath the gums and again reapply, but you want to do the insides and the outsides of your upper and your lower teeth there. Also, I want you to do this after rinsing with Periodontics. This is the last thing I want you to do. And once you put that baking soda salt powder in your mouth, it's going to be rather salty, so you can spit out the excess and leave it on for 15 minutes before eating or drinking. If also given the metronidazole cream that I mentioned previously, apply at a separate time. And again, 2 times per day for that.